right, y'all, so the bathroom is all back cleaned up before I decided to change it. So I just basically put everything back into place how it was before, and I just swap it out, things like that. So we are looking back clean, just how I like it. Everything back clean, baby. We got the aesthetics going and things like that. When I got all the dust off and things like that. So we're back to square one. You know, we don't have a rug down here because you know where we placed the rug at. But yeah.
Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's all I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. Yeah, we did our best until the very end. But goodbye, so long, my dear love. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. Me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars, you, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars, you, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me.
So on this side here, on this wall here, I needed to bring some blue over here. So found one of my canvas and reupholstered it with some fabric that I got from Amazon. It was like a big tapestry, something like that. I can't pronounce it right. Something like a shower curtain hat or whatever the case may be. So I put a pop of light over here so to bring some of the gold over here. I really wanted to change this out to center it, but I didn't have time for that. So I decided to put the towels back over here as they are. And then here we have the long curtains here, gray curtains, just to break up some of the blue and white. On this side over here, we have another towel rack, a hand towel, or, you know, paper towel we still have, but just to give it some extra over here. On top of the vanity, we got face towels as well as his soap, not soap, but toothpaste and toothbrush type thing. We still kept this flower thing going on here. And other than the counter, we did the air freshener, which as you see is blue. And that's the extra roll of toilet paper that was sitting out. Now over here, pretty much the same. I just decided to add the books, the DIY books, and some books that I got from Amazon. And this is a DIY, and those are candle holders there. In the toilet paper in this bus here that I think I got from Ross or something, but I spray painted it gold as you see. So we still got this going on over here. And then last but not least, this wall here, we went up with a bigger canvas and I did the same thing, cover it with that fabric or picture, whatever you want to call it. That picture or this design is no longer in stock. I did this like 5 years ago or something on my DIY channel. But yeah, so we kept the little pop of gold. And then down here we have the drying towels over here. I wanted to spread it out, but by the toilet paper roll is sitting right here. That prevent me from spreading out. So this is just justice because I was gonna put all three, but I remember the toilet paper roll there. And then over here, I still just kept the gold trash can, but I put a blue one in there that mimics the toothbrush holder and stuff. And to soften it up, we went with these rugs here. You guys know I had these for a while too. So I put the longer one there so it can pretty much be in front of the tub as well as the sink compared to the shorter one here. So yeah, Queens and Kings, what you guys think? This is pretty much the overview of it once again. And I like it. Okay, so that's pretty much just gonna be it for this video here. If you all enjoyed me doing this, decorate my bathroom, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And can you guys do me a favor? Please let the ads play, because that's pretty much what the revenue dropping, because you guys not letting the ads play. So thank you, appreciate you, and thank you once again in advance. But remember, Queens and Kings, continue to be royal. Your crown may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. I bless you all.